name is Amit Saxena. I am Deputy Chief Technology Officer for State Bank of India. I define the strategy, I define the target, I define the priority for the bank. The second bucket, what I do is I develop the strategy, I develop the policies, I develop the standards for the bank itself, what bank should be looking at. The third bucket, what my role is to optimize. I optimize the technology architecture, the network architecture, so that the bank is able to leverage whatever hardware and software we are using. That's what we try to do. The fifth thing is I lead the bank into transforming into a future what the bank should do. I identify the opportunities where the bank should be able to kind of work into those areas. Some of those areas wherein what we have done as a digital banking platform, what we call as YONO itself. We have got legacy system, right? State Bank of India is like 761 million accounts, 421 million customers. So to give a seamless experience to our customer, we have been using technology stack, which is one of the best itself. We have got our partners from IBM, Google, Microsoft, you keep on naming them, they all have been partnering with us. We have transformed and we have moved away from the old, what we call as a WebSphere kind of a thing, and we are using something which is the latest in the market. We are trying to refresh all our technology stacks itself. The digital technology is a way forward, and this we have identified not due to COVID, right? So when we started our journey of a digital transformation in 2016 itself, so the banking services would be solicited services, not demand services. So if you see, most of the customers have to approach branch to ask for a service. This is going to change, and that's what we have done at the start of 2016. And on 24th November 2017, we have launched a full digital bank, what we call, you can open your account, right? You can do an online marketplace. You can buy a general insurance, life insurance, everything in a single place, which is available on that platform. The digital technology is a word which is a buzzword for the upcoming thing. And what people have to see, that we have to look at it from that aspect, that all these technologies are going to change the way banking has been structured and restructured. We are a young bank of 211 years old, and we are ready to change that banking space with this digital technology. These are future things what we are trying to build in, and some of those features are available. Say for example, and YONO as a platform provide you this, right? So you would get an instant pre-approved personal loan over here, which is working on the basis of AI engine, what we have in the background. Apart from it, say for example, the future lies in, when we talk of AI, you have been a good customer of SBI, you have been working with us for a long time, you have got a home loan, car loan with us. Now you cannot fly internationally, but in coming days, whenever you would be getting an opportunity to fly and you are landing in Mumbai, you would get a notification saying that SBI offers you a free foot massage from a long international flight. That's the basis of AI technology, what we are talking. Artificial intelligence, integrated with the, VR, which is a virtual reality. So people are scared to go and see their home, but their aspirations is to buy a home. We'll give you a virtual reality kind of equipment through which you can see the internals of a home itself, which is a pre-approved kind of a home loan, and using AI. And it would be made available to people at their doorstep. You can offer a donation into a PM relief fund itself. That is one of the most important features. And we have seen a lot of people have donated out into a PM relief fund. The second thing what we have tried, we have given to people is a gold loan kind of a launch itself, what we have done. The latest one which you would be seeing coming up in another 15 days time, if you see a clock in my hand, right, it's a payment instrument, right? So you do not need to pick out, kind of a debit card. You have to use your clock to, do a tap and go, and you would be able to do a payment. But 2,000 rupees as per RBI guideline. This is something what we call out that people are contactless kind of a thing. So you don't need to even touch your debit card or hand over your debit card to other people. The gold prices have gone up. So people who have taken an earlier gold loan, they can do a top up on that gold loan, which is also coming in another 10 days time. YONO is a startup which has been built up by a legacy bank like us, which have got a valuation of $40 to $50 billion if SBI, because it's an SBI product, so it cannot have an independent, kind of a valuation. This is something which is not being done in whole of the country. So there's no other startup which have got a valuation like this. Our first focus is that how to engage our customer by knowing about our customer. The whole idea I will tell you about, is that a person should do everything sitting at your home. So you open an account, you took a home loan, you went into a home. Then what is your first thing? You are going to furbish your home, right? Now you're furbishing your home. You want to buy your curtains, draperies, kitchenware, etc. For that, we have got an integration with the online marketplace, right? You would get deals from Amazon, Pepperfry, etc., etc. You have bought everything. Then you think of buying a car also. We give exclusive offers of cars from Mahindra, from Tata's, from Hyundai on a same platform. You do not need to visit any other website, right? It's all available over there in And once you have done it, you have enjoyed a party, and you think of, okay, I have got a home. What about insurance if something happened to her? You can buy a general insurance. You can buy a life insurance, right? That's all. So we have got 5 subsidies. You can have your credit card and everything done on You do not need to visit any of the subsidies, right? That's the whole concept. The other biggest change, what you would see in every journey, what we call, can be completed in 3 steps, right? From login, filling details, and submitting. That's it. It's done. If you are eligible for a PAPL, which is a pre-approved personal loan, you get a notification. You click on that notification, the money up till 2 lakh rupees get into your account in next 10 minutes time. There's no document. We are not even asking what's your first name, last name, because you already have that data available with us. That has given insight into customer behavior. For example, you are a food connoisseur, right? So you love eating food. So every time you are stopping by a good restaurant and try looking out of a window whether there's a buy one get one free meal available today or tomorrow, right? So if there are any deals available, will give you that offer, and it would be exclusive for you, right? Because you have been a good customer. You are keeping a car loan with us, a home loan with us. Why can't I give you a good meal for 1 day or 2 days in a month itself? That's what we are calling of having a customer insight. One thing is for sure, we are very much committed to that the country economic should come on at its own place. We are seeing macroeconomic indicators in the right direction. What I can talk to you about that, we are working on an MSME loan, right? A loan, what we are giving it to a business, kind of a application, or business as a platform, what we have, where the commercial loans are given, right? So we have got a loan which is a pre-approved commercial loan for MSME and SME customers, which they can avail. And we are also talking of giving different other loans. Loans is something which we are ready to give and hand out to all eligible customers, given the criteria itself. And what we are looking at, that this would be done in stages, but we are very much committed to have Atmanirbhar Bharat to build our country self-sustained, and State Bank of India, as the banker to the nation, is committed to providing all those services to all our customers.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.